So we have salmon, pretty big piece, scallion, pepper. This is where he steams it. That's Sheng.
What are you doing?
Scallion, pepper. Where's your ginger? Okay, this is how you put the pepper. It's been sliced like this. And this is scallion and ginger. And the rest of pepper, just so you don't throw anything of it. And then he has some magic black beans that people don't have, but that's okay. It's okay without them too. Spices: soy sauce, salt, sesame oil, black pepper, and cooking wine. So these were all mixed in together. The cooking wine and the soy sauce, the sesame oil, just like that. So the mixture is put on top of the salmon. Wait, did you put salt on the salmon, or it's in your mixture?
Mixture.
Okay. Just like that. Ta-da! It goes in just like a regular deep pan that you could lift off the bottom and put water to steam it. It doesn't have to be in this kind of setting particularly, but it's steamed for how long?
18 minutes.
18 minutes. And this is 2 pounds of salmon.
Yes.
This is what it looks like. Still cooking. Steaming. Okay, it's done. It looks like that. Not overcooked. The vegetables are perfect. You can eat every little bit of this. All the vegetable along with the salmon. This is how it looks like. And the sauce is amazing. Salmon is a fatty fish, so having it steamed instead of fried or anything else, it's really the best way. It's amazing.